What's up? What's up? How y'all feeling? I just pulled up to the gym. I'm in the car about to go inside. Today we're gonna do a full body workout. There's something I do want to go over with y'all that I get questioned a lot when it comes to like cardio. So I got my notes right here and I'm gonna go over this with y'all. So there's 5 zones. Me, for my goals right now, I focus more on zone 2, but let's go over the zones real quick. So out of 5 zones, let's start with zone 1. Zone 1 is more of, you got 50 to 60% max heart rate, okay? And then when you're targeting fitness goals, it's for warm-up, recovery, including active and cool down, all right? And then you have zone 2, which is 60 to 70% max heart rate, which is my favorite. And that's for building an aerobic base, fat burning, sustainable for long periods. So you can kind of go longer without, getting tired. Then you got zone 3, which is 70 to 80% max heart rate, improving aerobic capacity and muscle strength. You got zone 4, which is 80 to 90% max heart rate, increasing the anaerobic threshold, helps improve performance in short duration activities. And then you got zone 5, which is 90 to 100% max heart rate. And that right there, develop fast twitch muscle fibers for sprinting and power, not good for long periods. All right? I just wanted to give y'all that information because I get questioned a lot. So there you go. There you have it. Let's go put in this work. One last thing. I know some people might ask, okay, you're talking about zones, but how do we track it? And, like how you get to it. So me personally, I have my Apple Watch. I keep it on. And when you go to the health app, depending on which series you have, it definitely has a section where you can turn it on and it'll show all the zones. And like, let's say if you're running or you're on a treadmill, while you're doing your workout or your cardio, it'll pop up and it has a meter that shows you which zone you're in. Okay? Now you have it.